The navigation menu here on the left edge of the screen shows the ShareVault pages available to an administrator. Files in ShareVault are organized into a hierarchical tag structure. You can think of tags as folders, except that they're more flexible because a file can be tagged with multiple tags. To upload files from your computer, you can click the green Upload button on the Documents page and drag files from your desktop to the drop zone. Or you can skip the Upload button and instead just drop your folders directly onto a tag where you want to upload the folders and files. As you can see, tags are created from the folders that you've dropped. With the optional ShareVault connectors, you can connect ShareVault with a variety of other web applications in ways that will make you more productive. To add a new connector, click Add and select from our available connectors. On the Admin Policies page, you'll see a list of document security policies. Select a policy to see its security attributes here on the right. Security attributes define what rights a user has with a document. Can the user save or print a file? Should watermarks be applied? Can a user copy and paste text? Should the user's right to open the file expire on a specific date and time? Navigate to the Users and Groups page. Create a group. Set up tag permissions and policies. Check the checkbox next to the tag to grant permission for the group to access the tag. Then create users for each group. You can enter one user at a time if you want, but if you have more than a few users, you'll want to select Multiple Users here, which allows you to add a number of users at once. The Q&A page is a secure and centralized place where you can answer questions asked by end users about the contents of your ShareVault. As your end users review your documents, you can monitor their activity on the Reports page. The Activity Summary page provides high-level information regarding the activities of each user group within your ShareVault, and the Activity List provides a detailed audit trail that you can easily query. The navigation menu on the left edge of the screen shows the ShareVault pages available to an end user. The Documents page is where you can browse, search, and view documents. Click a tag to list only the files for that tag. Check the checkboxes to list files for multiple tags. To view all of the available documents, check All Categories at the top. And you can use the search feature to instantly find files that contain the keywords that you enter.